Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's look is this autumn inspired look. It's got browns, it's got coppers. If you want to see how I achieve this look, then obviously stay tuned. So firstly, I'm going to apply setting powder underneath my eye. That's just to catch any fallout from the glitter. I'm taking my usual paint pot in soft ochre and applying that all over my eye. Going in with my face powder, I'm putting that just underneath my brow right there. Underneath that face powder, I'm taking MAC blush in Raizin and placing it just underneath there. Any gold eyeshadow, mine is the same palette that I got my brown from, which is the SMASHBOX Ablaze, and apply that just on your eyelid. I'm going to take MAC's Mix and Medium eyeliner and I'm going to apply that all over my eyelid as an adhesive. Then I'm going to pop the NYX glitter in copper on top of that, and then I'm going to put another layer of this adhesive. So the second layer is to just seal it in, because if you've got hooded eyes and you've put glitter on your eyes, a lot of the time if you don't have a sealant, the glitter literally ends up to your eyebrows, whereas this stuff prevents it from happening. I've been using it for years. I was recommended it, well, I wasn't recommended it personally, but I was watching Alyssa Ashley's video like years ago and she used this product and I haven't looked back since. So you need to get you some of this. Okay. So when applying the sealant, you want to make sure that once you've applied it, you don't open your eyes or look up, because otherwise you're going to transfer the glitter onto the eyeshadow and we don't want that. So just be really careful. Just fan your eye, do what you gotta do, but make sure you don't open your eye. Got it? For the purpose of the video, I'm going to show you what happens when you don't allow it to dry. So if I look up, so if I go in, you can see this area here is where it's not supposed to be, and that's because we opened our eye. So definitely make sure you let that dry before you open your eye. It's pretty easy to fix, but it's just a bother, isn't it, when it could have been prevented in the first place. To rectify it, you just want to get the eyeshadow which you use and literally just brush it backwards and forwards till it's gone. Make sure you do this step whilst the glue is still wet, because once it's dry it's really hard to remove because it's literally stuck on your skin. As if it never happened. With some eyeliner on my bottom waterline. This is the NYX Slide On Glide On pencil in jet black, and I'm going to smudge it ever so slightly into my lash line. Rid of this demarcation line, I'm just going to go in with my brown eyeshadow and then just lightly pat over it so that it's more of a blend rather than a all of a sudden. Now to take away the powder. I'm going in with these two products. So it's Smashbox Liquid Lip in True Grit and Colourpop's Liquid Lip in Limbo. So I'm going to use a darker one as a lip liner and then this in the center. Lashes on and I'll be right back. This is the final look. I sprayed some Urban Decay All Nighter just where that powder was because my skin was looking hella ashy, so I just had to take that ashiness away. Put my lashes on. This is it. Perfect for autumn. Browns, coppers, reds, purples. You cannot go wrong with those colours for fall/autumn. So if you like, leave a comment down below. I would love for you to give this video a thumbs up and definitely subscribe. I will see you in my next video.